For sambar, now we will take 150 grams of tur dal. We will uh, neatly wash and put it on a stove to boil it. Normally, we will keep this open without putting the cooker lid on it, and that's why we will use turmeric so that when it will not overspill when it is boiling. It will take normally 20 to 25 minutes to complete as we keep it open. Now you could see it's almost boiled very nicely. Now we will take 2 tomato, 15 chilies and 1 onion. You can use chilies as per your spice limit. Now we have chopped everything ready and ready for fry. I have added little curry leaves. We have mustard and cumin seeds. We have iron pot which will help you to have a good health. We have kept it for heating, and now it's almost heated well, and you can use any cooking oil which you like. I have here virgin coconut oil. Now we will add for the fry. Once you feel it's fried well, then you can add chilies. Maybe after 2 or 3 minutes, you can add onions. So you need to fry an onion a bit till it turns into brownish, like this. After that, you can add the tomatoes. You need to stir it well to get a good consistency. So now I'm adding rock salt. Rock salt is considered healthy, so if you have a rock salt, you should go for it. Now I'm adding turmeric a little bit. We are not adding any sambar powder in this, so if you have turmeric, it will just give you the natural color. Now I will add little asafoetida. It will be a little pinch, which will give you a good flavor, and it's also good for digestion. Now it's fried well, and we can just add it to the dal. You can add the water. It should not be too thick and too thin. Just make sure you get the good consistency. As it is for idli, it should be a little thin, not too thick as well. Now we are getting ready to make idlis. Normally we use cooker. I have added little water to it. Now we are ready to make idlis. Just I am putting cooking oil in it instead of cotton cloth. So now it's ready. Now we have idli batter. Let's pour. We should not put it too much. it should be exactly to the level of the level of that small hole, so that when it's steams well, it should not overflow. While keeping the plates also, you should be good enough so that the steam will flow through and idli will get well cooked. Now before putting into the cooker, you should get some proper steam in it. Now I'm putting a lid on it without a cooker belt and whistle. Normally it will take 7 to 10 minutes to get fully cooked. Now you can see the boiling sambar. It should not take much time, like one or two boils should be good enough for this sambar. Now we can see it's almost cooked, fully boiling. By this time, the idli also kind of getting cooked. Now we can see good steam coming out, and we can also feel the smell of cooked idli. By this, you can see if it is not too sticky, that means it is already cooked well. So we can take out this idli into the bowl. Now you can see very soft idlis. We can take out all this to the bowl. I'll show you how it's cooked inside also. Now you can see the soft idli, which is cooked very nice, which is very hot. Now we will add little coriander to the sambar, little stir it once you add the coriander. Now the hot idli and sambar is ready to eat. It's very easy and very healthy option in the morning. Now it is good to serve. Thank you for watching.